Mommy and Daddy are trying to teach the babies how to fly. Oh, one made it. This one doesn't seem to be able to make it. I can get the whole thing out. The nest is up there. Yeah. He's stuck right there. Oh, oh, he made it. Those are the babies and the mama and the daddy. That's the baby against the wall. It's under my carport. I left this window open on purpose because I knew they were making a nest in there. So I didn't get much use out of my chaise lounge this year. They got two babies over there. Oh no, one's right there on the wood. Now how he landed on the wood? Phew. Oh, he fell down. Come on, little birdie, get back up. It's a good place for them to learn, that's for sure. That one up there. Oh, it's right there. Isn't nature beautiful? The little one no, little one's still down there in between the cinder block and the wood. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 babies I think she had. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, because there's 2 grown-ups and 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5 babies. Yeah, 5 babies. Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 over there and 1 on the floor. They're all learning how to fly today. Oh, I almost made it. I'll have to clean the screen. But then if I clean the screen, they'll see me. Okay. We gotta go catch a mouse. Bye-bye, birdie.